Hello everyone, it's me Winnie and welcome back to my channel. And yeah, this is how I dress when I'm at my home, room, because couldn't be silent night. Normal silent. Alright, so today the vlog will be, miss ko ko. So, one aji with my family. Let's say Cathedral Church. I don't know my pronounce but I am a very bad at pronunciation, but yeah. Today jabo for the kitchen just to click pictures, Pictures and videos is important for me. So maybe this will be my first time. Yeah. So I don't know how the weather is, but huna tak to maybe like panigiri se gushe. The weather is not good, but we have to sacrifice, maki se pata kicho kane to sacrifice karo. So বেশি কথা নকয় না যাবো না ভিউ খান দেখাবো বাট মই sick motion আছে I get sick motion easily so জায়গা দে clip করলাম অলপ ভিডিও দেখাই দিব রাস্তা হানা because মই জানেছে Sundar mountains with full of clouds. Yeah. So yeah. Bye. Next day. No? Bye. Hello again. Man who just ready and into a similar outfit. Jali jao day. So ito to man ite patkai de punchise patkai par korbo jharna pani punchise itya and I will show you guys the view. So this is the view. 10 taka se divido extra divido. So Angras Kaolase and I love Angras to be honest. Dimapur Park hoise man to gorom to thanda hoise and Kohima Punchholase. The weather is quite good right now. But pani to giri hoise I feel like because Kohima side right now pani giri se gushe and I just hope that pani gir na thakiwi but that's it because my father ki jola bishi bad na se and I don't want to waste my outfit like that. Yeah. Wow, pineapple. Jharnak pani na pineapple ase kushito. Smells very sweet and I love it. I'm gonna have it. This is my favorite fruit. First bite. Ay, mami, I'm going to eat it. You can eat it. No, let's eat it. Mita se. Chalo. Yeah, it decided the pani giri se. Sabi Kohima na punchi time degi traffic start ho jase aru inga traffic te to I prefer to sleep moi to uthai diu de kon baba inga traffic ni ma humai cha ba de. So finally Kohima punchi jase man but look at me, I still look so sleepy but I have to wake up. Cuma finally malah destination dipunci. Mo sacrifice koriase. Photo kijo gani hill lagai na.
Paling gue sih tuh main start ko na
Aro opore jawa se opore jana ta sabte view dikhao. This is the makiala talent ase. Photo kijo gole to sacrifice karo lage. Am I right? Oh my gosh, mula lompen pura busy she. Mo sacrifice ko na hill lagay na si. Wow. Isn't it beautiful?
Di ba photo kichina?
Ay. Nigichi di voice na na.
Hey, Mary, 분들이 그 다이렉트 그 photo kichina to. Hello, 뭐한다 아직 Kohima 돼. 잠깐만. Only funny get flop. Only funny omagi recall bare. Because we are so mean.
The 7th station which just falls the second time. Station Jesus is kneeled to the cross. Station Jesus died on the cross. Thirteenth station Jesus is taken down from the cross. So this is how it looks. Jesus is led in the tomb. It's so sad. Vishimoram said one story again poorly because he has sacrificed for us so much. Man, yeah, because videos can pictures can be. The fact is, mubat kaina morning ba kaisha lo kulu lat nan samba kaishe bimar la porde bhat na bhat pi lat pi kaishe bimar gole ni bahar jao gole to bhalo jay. Oh my gosh, inga save you though. Yon sab chorus se jab na mi janda ko kora mo yu busi manush na to ande sab bande koi jaise halwi na ta ban hando na jana thing. So ite ola say this is moi the video to bishi lengthy na banao bishi already, as I have told you guys that I won't make this vlog too much of too lengthy, and yeah, we are going now back to the car because all my pants are wet and my heels shoe like this. So for jao yeah, well do rasta de jai damne naga thal khau bushe pat khailo jaina style birase khale bi bhuk pura birase de भूख लगी ना बिरास्ते मुझे तो हम सब तो खाई चलो मुझे खाना है बाल सुंदर सुंदर जगह ते फोटो खींच लेना बात भी फाउल जे तो पर बिजिशे So ito bat kaula punji se finally bat kaula some. I'm so hungry. I am so hungry. My mom bukla is I'm so hungry. When I'm hungry I get angry I feel like I want to cry. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. মান অর্ডার করলেছে সো এটা রুখিয়েছি খাওয়ালে তাম বানাও লেছে and again it will take time লাগিব but বানাই থব লাগে I'm so hungry যেন মই মুড়ি নাই থাকিব পাৰে মই কাৰণে প্ৰে কৰি দে pork na intestine na kis hoy ito si intestine pork oh beef is beef intestine sorry parse to chana se chutney the chutney balo I don't like this more to come and I can't wait to eat as soon as possible. I want to eat. Today I'll be blasting it. So this is chicken. Ye dekhibo. Thari bi. Moi hi bhuk lage ase mo baat khabo. Lemon.
Chicken finger है करें ले
ओए this is them that's the Papa I want to fart. No?
बाहर जाऊंगा
Ini berkaitan pada musim and we are going back from the Dimapur. I don't want to go to Dimapur. It's so hot out here. I want to stay here. It's so cold. I don't want to Hey, I don't want to go Dimapur. Dimapur jauh naik Dimapur bisa kurang masih.
लाल माती कौन की कोई
Kita jalan na, puro puncak sih doctor kadang bodoh, okay? And I'm so happy right now because I had my phone.
मुझे दो ना
Vapor ponchi shay, garam start to shay. I do vlog and grow it so I'll go home directly and I was out of sleep in bed. I will take shower and after that I will have my food again and I will go and sleep. So yeah, if you interest like sugar later video, make sure you subscribe it, okay? And like, share, comment, and yeah, that's it. See you all in my next vlog. Bye. Till then, live a long life, don't die. Happy life. So bye.